Happy World Lipstick Day. Okay, so I'm really excited to collaborate with Maybelline on this video because this is like a full circle moment for me. So the first ever video on this channel in 2013 was a giveaway with Maybelline, and it's pretty insane and amazing that we're doing this nearly like a decade later, and yeah, it's like a full circle moment for me, and I'm very happy to be doing this with them because obviously when you think of lipsticks, the first name that comes to your mind is Maybelline. They have over 100 shades, and I think each and every one of us has used, Maybelline lipsticks at some point. There are so many different formulations, different shades. There's something for everyone. Today, I'm going to kind of take you guys through some of my favorites, favorite shades, favorite formulations, talk you through the formulations, and there's a giveaway at the end of it. So stick around. So today I've got some of my favorites with me, as I said. I've got different shades, in terms of like pink tones, nude tones, plum tones, red tones, favorites from all of those, and different formulations, which we're going to go through. Are you ready? So first up, we have the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte. This is in the shade Touch of Spice, which is a really beautiful shade. Once I swatch it, you will see. This is really well priced as well at $349, which is pretty amazing. And yeah, I'm going to swatch it on my hand to kind of show you guys what the color looks like first here. So as you can see, it's a really beautiful color, kind of like a plum pink mix, and it's really pigmented, which is what I love about it. Let's swatch it here and see what it looks like. As I said, really pigmented, really weightless, glides on, super easy. So as you can see, as I said, really pigmented. It's a beautiful shade and it's not drying at all. And it's really light and weightless, which is what I love about this. Like, you don't feel like you've got lipstick on, especially on a matte lipstick, which I do have on right now. Up next, we have this one, which is the Superstay Ink Crayon. Now, this is the shade Make It Happen, number 55. And what I love about it is that it comes with its own little sharpener. So right now, obviously, this is sharp and I don't really need to kind of, sharpen it. But you could, if you feel like you want a more precise application, this is really great with that. So this is a beautiful like magenta color, which looks really lovely on most skin tones as you apply it. So what I love about this is the precision. Okay, so this head is just like, it's so easy to apply the corners, or when you're just going through the edges of your lips. It's just so seamless and easy. There's really no cleanup required because it glides on so easily. It's matte, it's transfer resistant. Again, lasts 8 hours, which is pretty amazing. And there are 11 beautiful shades, so there's something for everyone. Up next, we have the Ultimate range. I've got 2 shades here that I'm going to show you guys. One is a nude and one is a red. So we have more Scarlet, which is the red shade, and we've got more Buff, which is the nude shade. Really interesting, pretty colors. Let's watch. So this one is definitely more matte than the rest, and again, very light, and the color is pretty intense even though it's a nude. It's a nice light like nude with a pink undertone more than, like a brown beige undertone, and I really like it. I don't wear a lot of nude shades. I know I should, but what I love about this one is layering it. Okay, so I usually layer it with a gloss if you don't want the matte feeling. Of course, this you can do with any matte lipstick as well. I'm using the new Lifter gloss in the shade Topaz over this, and it looks amazing. This is like, I feel would look great with an Indian outfit, for like a wedding outfit. Check it out. Just a little bit of gloss, a little bit of shine. So this way you can obviously convert any, matte lipstick as well if you want to kind of have like a more luscious, glossy feel to it. With this one, I really love that about it, that it's a nice nudish clear gloss, which looks amazing with this. What do you guys think? Time for the red. So you definitely see the intensity and the extra matte-ness with the red. It is really intense, but it looks pretty amazing. I'm loving the shade, and I feel like I haven't worn a lot of red in the pandemic, but I really want to wear more of this. What do you guys think? I'm also going to swatch it here to show you guys what it looks like here as well, even though it's already here. really intense, which is what I love about Maybelline lipsticks. They are really pigmented. Even the lighter shades like the nude that you just saw, it's got this beautiful, color. You still see that color on your lips and on the skin as well. And it's just nothing is drying, which is another plus point. Everything is really hydrating. No matter how matte it is, like this as well, it doesn't feel like a matte lipstick. Like your lips are not stretchy, they feel hydrated, it feels light. Up next, we have the Superstay Matte Ink, which is my favorite because this guy lasts up to 16 hours. Okay, we're gonna swatch first. So you can see this is the shade Lover, which is really nice, really pigmented, as all the shades have been so far. This is priced at $6.99 again, which is really affordable, and it looks really great when you apply it on the lips as well. So this is a beautiful pink shade, like a nice light pink, which looks really nice and would be perfect for like a brunch or even like Indian outfits, a wedding. Loving the shade. So this one is waterproof, transfer proof and smudge proof. So we're gonna put it to test. Are you ready? So the first test is gonna be the transfer test. We're gonna take a tissue and we're gonna try and see if it transfers. Next test is going to be us eating some lunch. So we've got a yummy bowl of prawn pulao, and let's see if any of this gets lost or it moves my lipstick at all. And we have the water test. Nothing on the rim. And my lipstick is still on my lips. This is why this one is my favorite, because it lasts through literally anything and everything. And for World Lipstick Day, maybe you can get this. So we have a giveaway for you guys. We've got 2 lucky winners who are going to get goodie bags from Maybelline for World Lipstick Day. So all the details are in the description. Check them out. Also, everything I have swatched will be in the description as well. So if you're interested in getting any of these, they will be in the description. Check them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment below with your favorite shades from all the shades that I swatched today. Which one is yours? I think mine is this one. See you guys. Bye. And don't forget to enter the giveaway.